Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying about the mixtures. Before that, first we are going to summarize the study material whichever we learned up till now. You know very well that is this whole universe made up of only two things. One is matter and another is energy. We are not studying energy here. We are studying matter. What is the matter? Anything that occupies space and having mass is known as matter. Matter is of two types. One is pure substance, जो हमने कल पढ़ा था, pure substance, and another is mixtures. Pure substance are of two types. They may be pure substance, you know very well, that is the material made up of only one type of particles. And by any physical method, you can't separate them into other simpler substances. So this is the pure substance. It may be of two types, element or compound. In element, only one type of atoms are there. For example, nitrogen, oxygen gases, chlorine gas, copper metal, iron metal, carbon non-metal, etc. These all are elements and they are pure. Compounds, they are made up of two or more than two elements by chemical combination. Very important part, compound formed by the chemical combination of two or more than two elements. Example, H2O, it is a compound made up of two hydrogen and oxygen. Now, important point to differentiate between mixture and compound. आगे हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे. For again another example of compound, CO2, H2SO4, this is carbon dioxide, water, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, C12H22O11, that is sugar, right? So these all are compounds. In this chapter we are studying about the mixtures. कल आपने पढ़ा था mixtures are of two types. One is homogeneous and other is heterogeneous, right? अब इन दोनों में डिफरेंसेस, ये अगला एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन भी है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर वन, पार्टिकल विजिबिलिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर द होमोजेनस we are going to add sodium chloride, that is नमक जो घर में आप यूज करते हैं, प्लस वाटर, पानी, राइट. हेट्रोजेनस, सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस सैंड, मिट्टी और नमक, राइट. सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर, जब आप इसको अच्छे से डिसॉल्व कर देंगे, you can't see separately particles of sodium chloride and water. These two are pure thing. Sodium chloride is a one pure thing, water is another pure thing, right? Because made up of only one type of particles, right? So this is the homogeneous mixture. On the basis of particle visibility, we can differentiate. But here, with the help of microscope or by naked eyes, you can see separately particles of NaCl and sand. That is, इनको आप देख सकते हैं, डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. सैंड को पानी में डाल दीजिए तो भी पानी सैंड आपको नीचे बैठा हुआ दिखाई देगा. दिस इज हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर. Another differentiation, when you pass light through these mixtures. In this case, light कैसे पास करते हैं? This is the substance, this is the mixture. आपने light पास की. This light, when passes through this mixture, take the shape of cone and forming a illuminated path. जैसे कार जाती है नाइट में, तो हेडलाइट जो है वो एक कोन बनाती है, राइट. और उस कोन में डस्ट पार्टिकल एंड मॉस्किटो एक्सेट्रा आपको डांस करते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. वैसा पाथ जो बनता है, दैट इज नोन एज ए टिंडल इफेक्ट. बट योर सॉल्यूशन विल नॉट शो दिस टिंडल इफेक्ट, यानी कि लाइट पास करने पर लाइट का पाथ इनमें इल्यूमिनेट नहीं होता. नो टिंडल इफेक्ट, राइट. इन केस ऑफ हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर, now we consider one more heterogeneous mixture, that is milk plus water, right. It is also heterogeneous mixture because milk has its own property in the water, What by evaporation of water you can get the milk particles. So by the physical method, important part, heterogeneous mixtures are physically separable, right? So milk can be separated from the water by evaporation, but when you pass light through them, the path of light will be visible, that is they will show Tyndall effect. That means it is a heterogeneous mixture. Another differentiation, third, that is stability. You leave these two mixtures as such. After some time, यहाँ पर कोई भी नमक के पार्टिकल पानी में नीचे बैठे हुए नहीं दिखाई देंगे, राइट? बट हेयर इसमें भी नहीं दिखाई देंगे. इसका मतलब हेटेरोजेनस मिक्सचर भी कई तरह के होते हैं. बट सैंड प्लस वाटर, राइट? सैंड विल सेटल डाउन एंड वाटर विल बी हियर आफ्टर 10 to 20 minutes. Sand will be here, clear water will be here. So they get separate down. So this is unstable, but it is stable. Stable और unstable कैसे define करेंगे? After leaving the solution for 10 to 20 minutes, mixture for 10 to 20 minutes, no settlement of one component in the bottom. That means it is pure. That is it will be homogeneous. And if your one component gets settled down in the bottom, that means that will be the heterogeneous. Fourth differentiation, we filter them. Filtration का तरीका, we will take a beaker, एक साइड में जो funnel है उसका एक साइड में stem, right? तो क्लियर जो इस तरीके से होता है, तो ये वाला जो पार्ट है that will be along with the wall, ताकि कोई भी splitting बाहर सब्सटेंस की आपके मिक्सचर की ना हो, right? You will take a glass rod and with the help of this you pour your substance here, right? So the thing you get on the filter paper, that is known as residue, and the thing you get in the beaker, this is known as filtrate. So in this case, sodium chloride plus water, you can't separate sodium chloride and water by the filtration technique. So a homogeneous solution components can't be separated by filtration technique. But in heterogeneous, here milk and water again cannot be separated by this method, but this particular can be separated by the method. That is, you will take a funnel, again put the filter paper, जैसे कल बताया था उसी तरीके से. This is the stem, इस तरीके से लगाएंगे बीकर में, फिल्टर करेंगे, you get sand here and clear water here, right? So this is separated by the filtration technique. So these are four differentiation between heterogeneous and homogeneous, right? In this way you are able to separate homogeneous from heterogeneous. Now come to this part. Homogeneous are known as solutions, or we can say in homogeneous category we have only one type of mixture, that is solution. केवल एक ही तरह के मिक्सचर हैं आपकी इसमें, that is known as solution. Heterogeneous, two type of mixture you will study in this one. One is colloids and second is suspension. So listen clearly. In this particular chapter or in this particular topic we include solutions, suspensions and colloidal solution आगे आने वाले headings में, right? Now the question, what is mean by a pure substance? So pure substance means this matter made up of only one type of particles and all have the same chemical nature, and by any physical method they can't be separated into further simpler substances, right? So this is known as pure substance. This is the point of difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. अभी आपको जैसे मैंने समझाया था, on the basis of number 1, particles visibility. In homogeneous, no particle, different component particles are not visible, but in case of heterogeneous they are clearly visible. Second, if when we pass the light, path become illuminated. So in case of homogeneous, this is known as Tyndall effect. In homogeneous, no Tyndall effect, but in heterogeneous they show Tyndall effect. Next, stability. होमोजेनस आर स्टेबल क्योंकि ये सेटल डाउन नहीं होते हैं, और हेटेरोजेनस आर अनस्टेबल बिकॉज वाटर एंड सैंड गेट सेटल डाउन, सो दे आर अनस्टेबल. Now fourth one, that is filtration. On filtration, you cannot separate components of homogeneous mixture, but by filtration technique we are able to separate components of heterogeneous mixtures. So this is the differentiation. In the next topic we will study solution, colloid and suspension. Thank you.